Welcome back, everyone. Hopefully you're staying warm today on a very cold Monday afternoon so far. We have flurries and snow showers all across the region. You can see that little area of spin here. This is an upper level low that just continues to circulate through, and we're going to continue to see more snow showers associated with that as we go through the rest of the afternoon. Zooming in locally right now, nothing to write home about, really just some flurries. We did have some bursts of snow earlier, and now we are seeing a few little isolated bursts of snow, especially down towards the Crowdersville area through Wapakoneta, and you go down I-75 there towards Sidney. A few more snow showers straddling the Bellefountain area as well, and a few more working into parts of Defiance County. So as we look at the forecast this afternoon, we do have the potential for a few snow squalls, which is basically just a brief, intense burst of snow. So I want you to think about the summertime when we have those real heavy downpours at the heat of the day on a hot summer afternoon. Well, it's a lot like that. Now, I think in this case, it's not going to look like this picture here. We're not going to see enough snow to cover the ground quite like this, but we could see some brief accumulations on the order of a light dusting up to an inch out of these in some spots where they are heavier. And again, the impact really as you're driving is not so much that it sticks on the roads, because the sun angle is fairly high this time of year. We are well into March, but it could, again, put some accumulations on the grass. And really for driving, it's the visibility that you need to be worried about here when those move through this afternoon. And then other times the sun will be shining and you won't be seeing a single flake. So again, those snow showers are brief, they're localized, but again, you may encounter them if you are going to be traveling this afternoon. Temperatures right now, it's 31 degrees, but the snow is pretty well melting as it falls because, again, we are in the daytime and the sun angle still comes through the clouds. So it won't be until we get after sunset we'll have a better chance of some of that snow to really stick in parts of the area. So we see those snow showers and snow squalls. Here's 3 p.m. Again, under the intense bursts, some lower visibility, brief accumulations. The concern I have for travels is after sunset when we don't have the help of the sun and we start to see temperatures fall. That's where we could get a few slick spots. That's certainly a possibility. But by then, we don't see a lot of snow left. It'll really be driven by the daytime heat. So we don't have that as we go into tonight. So any snow showers that remain, which they will be localized and spotty, they could produce a few slick spots this evening. But you notice at 10 p.m., a few snow showers around Lima, few and far between. And then later tonight, we continue to see a tapering trend with that activity. Tomorrow, we should really end those flurries. We'll see a partly to mostly cloudy sky and then becoming clear as we go into Tuesday night. And you know what that means. If you watch the weather enough, you know when we lose the cloud cover, we lose the blanket to keep us insulated. So temperatures are really set to dive here into Wednesday morning before they start to bounce back by Wednesday afternoon. So here's a look at those cold temperatures. These are really what we should see in the middle of January. So it is below normal. Numbers in the mid-30s this afternoon. And we're going to see temperatures by 10 o'clock. Again, I showed you how there were still a few snow showers. By that point, we could see a couple slick spots because temperatures into the upper 20s, and then overnight tonight, we do fall all the way to 22 by Tuesday morning. You throw in some winds gusting up to 25 miles an hour, and we'll have a wind chill tomorrow morning sitting around 10 degrees for most spots. So it is going to be a very cold start tomorrow. And even tomorrow afternoon with a few peaks of sunshine, we only make it into about the lower and mid-30s. But I promise some warmer weather on the way by Wednesday. Look at this by Wednesday afternoon. Well, not there yet. If you look at temperatures, that should actually be back into the 40s here. So there will be some improvements coming our way. As we move into our 7-day forecast, we'll watch that warm up by Wednesday. Sunny skies, a high of 45 degrees after a 20-degree start. So we'll have that March sunshine going to work for us. Thursday, 54, and Friday we're at 54. That's fairly close to normal for this time of the year. But then a cold front's going to sweep through. The winds will pick up on Friday afternoon, and we are set to see another big drop in temperatures. Next Saturday, we're looking at highs near freezing and lows back into lower 20s by next Sunday.